ऐसा ही होता है, जब इन्होंने पहला न्यूज़पेपर निकाला तो इन्होंने उस न्यूज़पेपर की मेन हेडिंग्स में यही कुछ लिखा जो इनके दिल की ख्वाहिश थी। मोनोग्राम देखिए आप इनका, जो इन्होंने पहली मर्तबा बनाया, और फिर ये कहते हैं अपने न्यूज़पेपर में हेडिंग बनाते हुए, ज़रा सुनिए। फैसल नवाब रिक्वेस्ट्स टू द वर्ल्ड, he requests to the world for holding the seminars about his poems book, The Rose Petals, which is full of love and mankind. He has completed the book in 9 years. His book is in the international language, so he requested to the world for holding seminars in the different countries. The letter to the UNO, USA, UAE, Britain, Portugal, China, Japan, and so on. Faisal Nawab asks help for holding seminars in all the countries of the world about his book, The Rose Petals. He has held in Karachi 5 seminars which were successful. He hopes that everyone will help him. Successful 5 seminars in Karachi, Pakistan. Faisal Nawab, the writer of the book named The Rose Petals, held 5 seminars in Karachi, Pakistan about his poems, the Holy Quran, Dr. Abdul Qadir Khan, and the Triumphal Day, the Police, Hazrat Adam, Hazrat Ibrahim, Hazrat Moses, Hazrat Isa, Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, Qaid-e-Azam, Pakistan. He gave 2 crowns to the 2 teachers who taught Faisal Nawab. Teachers' names are Razia Bhatt and Ismat Baloch. He gifted his poems in a frame shape to the participants of the seminars. The seminars' names were the Holy Quran Day, Dr. Abdul Qadir Khan, and the Triumphal Day, the Police Day, the Prophet's Day, and the Love Day. The seminars reports are on page 2 and page 3 with proofs. There are many ways to do the social work. Faisal Nawab says that we can work for people by writing poems, proses, and holding seminars. He stresses that we must write something for the betterment of the societies. New Talent Welfare Association for Social Work registered the complete report on page 2. The Triumphal Day newspaper will be the social newspaper. Faisal Nawab intends to introduce the newspaper all around the world and tries hard to collect the problems from poors who are suffering from many problems. This newspaper's editor will be in numbers. This is the copy of the newspaper to get the declaration from the government of Pakistan. This is a copy, is not for sale, and a copy for friends. Thanks a lot to all the newspapers. Faisal Nawab thanks a lot to all the newspapers of Pakistan who covered completely all the press releases and the seminars which Faisal Nawab held in Karachi. The report is on page 2. ये इन्होंने छोटा सा इंट्रोड्यूस कराया है अपने न्यूज़पेपर को, जो इन्होंने फर्स्ट न्यूज़पेपर निकाला था। आप इसको ज़रा सा नज़र में रखिए और देखिए कि इस तरह भी कामयाबी की दहलीज पे आया जाता है और कामयाबी की सीढ़ियों पर चढ़ा जाता है। जो ये चढ़ गए और चढ़कर काफ़ी ऊंचाई तक गए, लेकिन जब स्टेयर्स खींचने वाले मौजूद हों, लैडर ले उड़ने वाले मौजूद हों, तो मुश्किलात तो आती हैं और मुश्किलात आकर ठहर जाती। बाकी आइंदा सुनाएंगे।